Welcome to today's episode, where we're diving deep into the world of databases, specifically a cutting-edge solution known as surrealdb. So what exactly is surrealdb? It's essentially a cloud-native database crafted for the demands of modern applications. Whether you're developing web, mobile, or serverless applications, surrealdb offers a simplified approach to managing your database and API infrastructure. Imagine being able to build applications faster, cheaper, and more securely. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's unpack some of the fascinating features that make surrealdb stand out. First off, it's designed to reduce development time. How? By stripping away the complexities of traditional server-side needs, allowing developers to focus on creating rather than managing. This means you can push out secure and efficient apps at an impressive pace. Have you ever found yourself bogged down by back-end configurations? surrealdb could be a game changer for you. Now, one of the most exciting aspects of surrealdb is its dual functionality. It serves not just as a database, but as a real-time collaborative API backend service. This means data can be accessed and manipulated live, which is fantastic for applications requiring immediate data feedback, like chat apps or collaborative tools. What's even cooler is that it supports multiple querying languages. So whether you're a fan of SQL, GraphQL, or prefer working directly with structured and unstructured data, surrealdb has got you covered. Imagine the flexibility you'd have. You could write queries in the language that you're most comfortable with, making your development process smoother and more efficient. Oh, and let's talk about security. surrealdb offers granular access control, allowing you to manage data access rights with precision. For developers and businesses handling sensitive information, this is a crucial feature. Now, you won't just have a one-size-fits-all permission model. You can define who has access to what data, down to individual rows. That's powerful. Now, how easy is it to get started with surrealdb? Believe it or not, it's as simple as running a single command. Whether you're on macOS, Linux, or Windows, you can kickstart your experience without diving into complicated installation processes. For example, if you're on macOS, the process can be as easy as using Homebrew. You just type in one command, and voila, you're ready to go. So let's think about a hypothetical scenario here. Imagine you're a developer at a startup that's just launched a new app. Your team needs to integrate database functionality, but time is short and your resources are limited. With surrealdb, you can get up and running quickly, achieve robust data handling, and even customize your access controls without pulling an all-nighter. Sounds like a developer's dream come true, doesn't it? And let's not overlook scalability. surrealdb allows you to start with a simple setup and scale effortlessly to a distributed cluster to support high availability. So whether you're building a small prototype or a large-scale application, surrealdb adapts to your needs. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that surrealdb offers a suite of features tailored specifically for modern development needs, from rapid deployment to real-time collaborative functionalities. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just dipping your toes into the world of databases, surrealdb presents an exciting avenue to explore. Before we sign off, I'm curious, what are some of your biggest pain points when it comes to database management? How do you see platforms like surrealdb changing the game for developers and enterprises? Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating in the tech world.